Now how to make a crawler. Now let's start. Open your Python Jupyter notebook. You must have imported these libraries, right? Okay. Now this is the URL. I will set my driver first. Okay. Drivers I will initialize. Wait. These things should not be. Drivers are imported there. Okay. Don't execute. Okay. Now what we have to do, I want to click here, right? So I will find its XPath. I will click inspect element. You do it with me. You guys do it with me. If you are not able to find, just tell me. I will tell you, repeat it. And you guys really enjoy this session. Go to this home page. And now scroll down in domestic market of this rubber. I want my bot to come and click on this link. How it will do? First, I will inspect this element. Okay. If your this bar is coming here, there, or in any other location like sideways and all, click on this dock side. Press this one, this button. It will come at the bottom. Okay. Okay. Now it is highlighting this one, this link. This is the link. On click is equals to go. I will again right click on this and I will copy its XPath first. Now I got this path of my element on this page. Everyone got that? Then I will come here. This is my driver. So first it should go to the URL. And what is the URL? I will give the URL to my Google Chrome, this web driver. Copy and paste from here. This is my web page, where first it should open this web page. Okay. Then it should wait for page to load. So I'm putting sleep here for the 5 seconds. After in 5 seconds, I hope my page will be loaded, and after that I will search driver dot find element by XPath, and I will give in my double quotes the path of copied it from there. Wait. This is daily. I will right click. I will inspect the element. Again, I will inspect like twice you do. If you are not getting it once, it will locate it highlighted. Now again, I will come hover over this. Again, I will right click. I will copy. In copy, I will copy XPath. Okay. Now I'll come to my sheet. I'll copy this path. And what I will do, dot click. Execute this code. Check if it is working or not. If it is finding your element and clicking on it or not. It will click and it will take you on the next page. It is so simple. It is waiting for 5 seconds. After that, it clicked on that daily link and it took me to the next page. So after clicking on it and going to the next page, just wait for another 5-10 seconds for the page to load. Whenever you click on go to the next URL, it's better to put sleep. Why? Because again, if you'll give find element by X path, that page won't be loaded and your script will execute before the page gets loaded. So what it will give you error, the element which you are trying to search is not found. Though you have given the correct path of the element, it will throw you that error. Now we are into the next page, right? Clicking on this daily in national market. After that, it went to another page. Let's wait for another 5-10 seconds. This website is also slow. Now we have landed here. These are the input fields for date. Okay, you guys open this page. Open this page. You have landed here on this page. Now click on this from date. After clicking on it, right click on it and go to inspect element. We have to find its XPath. To click on this and send dates. Here it is input type is equals to text, class from control, form control input, something they have given. Okay. Again, right click on it. You will get copy its XPath. Okay. Now again, after the page is loaded, now you want to fill from and to date. Okay. In the next link, filling. How you will do? Again, driver dot find element by ID. Fine. Sorry, XPath. My XPath. Within single quotes, you paste this XPath. Make here from date is equals to, because directly you won't be able to, after clicking you won't be able to send the link. So you have to make an object of this, find the element, store in it, and after that storing from date dot click. After clicking on it, what you have to do, you have to send your keys. So from date dot send keys, and keys whatever you want you can send. Here we have given date. Wait, I will initialize the dates, and date should be in the format of the website what the website is taking. You cannot put your own format of the date. So here's the code for formatting your date. I want just last 1 month of the data. So from date I've calculated from now. Now I've taken out date and relative date filtering I've applied to get the last 2 month of date. What is my last what was the date before last 2 months, and to date I want like last month. So it will be like only 1 month of the gap in between these dates. Okay, this is the date I've taken relative date. Send keys I've taken out from date, which looks like, from date is, sorry, it needs to be executed. From date is 7/6/2020, and date, suppose I want data in between these two dates. Okay, so after clicking here on that field, I will send keys from date. Done. Now similarly we will fill to date. How to do that? Before filling, we need to click on it, inspect the element. If you are not getting at once, again you click and do inspect element, it will highlight. Inspect the element and again right click on it, copy its XPath. Copied. Now is equals to driver dot find element by its XPath. Within single quotes, paste this and to date dot click it. Send my to date in that. To date which I have extracted before. Here you put time dot sleep, else it will do very fast. You won't be able to notice what it is doing.